The majority of my work involves coding and running through data processing and really just working on a computer all day. But I don't know how to say that in a more sexy way. I'm Kyle Murray. I'm a GeoPRISMS postdoc, so I'm funded under the GeoPRISMS program, and I work in geophysics at the University of Hawaii. As a kid, I was more interested in things, like skateboarding and basketball and kind of activities outside of school. Those hobbies changed to more like climbing and skiing, and got interested in kind of anything that could take me outside and be active in the outdoors. So I got into college just barely, and it wasn't until I think my third year when I started in geology. That's kind of when I started to really get serious about school and actually started to care about my grades and what I was taking, and got more interested in things like research. If I were to give kind of interested undergrads or people in high school maybe advice on how to approach going into this field, I would say definitely work on your analytical skills. Take classes in math as much as you can and computer science, and definitely try and do a research project as soon as you can. It's not always obvious how to go from graduate school and PhD and starting a job in academia or research. So this program really helped me kind of find the next step and act as a way to sort of build my career off of. The GeoPRISMS project I'm working on is studying the East African Rift. So this is an area of the Earth that's actually pulling apart. I'm working on actually studying how the rift is moving and pulling apart using precise measurements of the deformation of the crust. There are a few ways that you can go about measuring how the crust is deforming. One of those is to use actual GPS sensors. Every day we get a really precise location, and we can start to use those to see how that exact spot of the Earth is moving over time. This is kind of important because all of these interesting scientific things that are happening are also presenting major hazards to the large population centers that live in this area. I was really inspired by the field work. That's really what originally drew me in. So it is a little bit ironic that I ended up just working in an office on a computer all day, but that is actually what I enjoy more. I find that after a while, field work isn't as glamorous as I thought it might be. So I do feel like I landed in a good spot where I can really focus on the computational aspects.